Today, we're exploring a transformative approach to nutrition, the plant-based diet. Embracing a plant-based diet offers numerous benefits, from promoting heart health and weight management to reducing the risk of chronic diseases. In this discussion, we'll delve into the science behind these benefits and provide practical tips on how to transition to and maintain a plant-based lifestyle. Join me as we uncover delicious and nutritious plant-based recipes, shopping strategies, and ways to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs. Let's discover together how a plant-based diet can enhance your health and well-being, one plant-powered meal at a time. Today, we will talk about plant-based diet, benefits, and practical tips. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. A plant-based diet emphasizes foods primarily derived from plants, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes, while limiting or excluding animal products like meat, dairy, and eggs. This dietary approach has gained popularity due to its numerous health benefits, environmental sustainability, and ethical considerations. This comprehensive guide explores the health benefits of a plant-based diet, practical tips for transitioning to and maintaining this lifestyle, potential nutrient considerations, and ways to optimize nutrition for overall well-being. 1. Understanding a plant-based diet. A plant-based diet revolves around consuming predominantly plant-derived foods while minimizing or avoiding animal products. It is not synonymous with vegetarian or vegan diets, which strictly exclude animal-derived foods. Instead, a plant-based diet encourages a flexible approach where individuals can customize their intake of plant foods according to personal preferences and health goals. Vegetables. Leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, root vegetables, carrots, sweet potatoes, etc. Whole grains, quinoa, brown rice, oats, barley, whole wheat products, etc. Legumes, beans, black beans, chickpeas, lentils, peas, soybeans, tofu, tempeh, etc. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, etc. 2. Health benefits of a plant-based diet. Scientific research supports several health benefits associated with adopting a plant-based diet. Heart health. Reduces the risk of heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and inflammation due to the high fiber and antioxidant content of plant foods. Weight management. Supports weight loss and maintenance by promoting satiety, reducing calorie density, and increasing nutrient density in meals. Diabetes management. Improves insulin sensitivity and glycemic control, potentially reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Cancer prevention. Provides phytochemicals and antioxidants that may protect against certain types of cancer, such as colorectal, breast, and prostate cancer. Digestive health. Enhances gut health through fiber-rich foods that support regular bowel movements and promote a healthy gut microbiota. 3. Nutrient considerations on a plant-based diet. While a well-planned plant-based diet can meet all nutritional needs, attention should be given to certain nutrients that may require special consideration. Protein. Ensure adequate intake from plant sources such as beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and nuts. Combining different plant protein sources throughout the day can provide all essential amino acids. Iron. Consume iron-rich foods such as lentils, beans, tofu, spinach, quinoa, and fortified cereals. Pairing plant sources of iron with vitamin C-rich foods enhances absorption. Calcium. Obtain calcium from fortified plant milks, tofu, leafy greens, kale, collard greens, almonds, and sesame seeds. Vitamin B12. Consider fortified foods, egg, nutritional yeast, fortified plant milks, or B12 supplements, especially for those following a strict vegan diet. Vitamin D. Ensure adequate sunlight exposure or consider vitamin D fortified foods and supplements, particularly in regions with limited sunlight. Zinc. Include zinc-rich foods such as beans, lentils, chickpeas, seeds, pumpkin, hemp. Nuts, cashews, almonds, and whole grains. / 4. Practical tips for transitioning to a plant-based diet. Transitioning to a plant-based diet can be gradual and personalized according to individual preferences and lifestyle factors. Start gradually. Begin by incorporating more plant-based meals into your weekly routine and gradually reduce animal products over time. Explore new foods. Experiment with a variety of fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds to discover new flavors and textures. Learn plant-based cooking. Explore plant-based cooking methods and recipes to enhance culinary skills and creativity in the kitchen. Read labels. Check food labels for hidden animal-derived ingredients and opt for whole, minimally processed plant foods whenever possible. 5. Optimizing nutrition on a plant-based diet. Ensure optimal nutrition by focusing on variety, balance, and nutrient-dense foods. Include a rainbow of colors. Consume a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables to maximize nutrient diversity and antioxidant intake. Prioritize whole foods. Choose whole grains, minimally processed foods, and fresh produce to retain fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Balance macronutrients. Incorporate adequate protein, healthy fats from nuts, seeds, avocados, and complex carbohydrates from whole grains, legumes into meals. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating by savoring flavors, listening to hunger cues, and recognizing fullness to prevent overeating. 6. Challenges and strategies for success. Address common challenges associated with a plant-based diet with effective strategies. Family and cultural influences. Communicate dietary preferences respectfully with family members and adapt traditional recipes to plant-based versions. Nutrient education. Stay informed about nutrient needs and sources to ensure balanced nutrition and address concerns about deficiencies. A plant-based diet offers numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, weight management, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and enhanced overall well-being. By focusing on nutrient-rich plant foods, incorporating balanced meals, and adapting gradually to personal preferences and lifestyle factors, individuals can successfully transition to and maintain a plant-based lifestyle. Embrace the diversity, sustainability, and ethical considerations of plant-based eating while enjoying delicious and nutritious meals that support long-term health and vitality. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.